South, let me tell you about the day I almost gave up. Not just like, ugh, I'm tired, I'll try again later. No, I'm talking full meltdown, existential crisis, the kind where you dramatically flop onto the floor like a Victorian ghost and sigh so loudly your upstairs neighbor texts, "You good?" It all started with a to-do list. Just 5 things, easy, right? Wrong. First task, wake up early. I hit snooze so many times my phone just gave up and said, "Okay, sleep forever then, queen." Second task, go to the gym. Bold of me to assume I had the willpower of a Greek hero and not the attention span of a distracted goldfish. Then I spilled coffee on myself, deleted the wrong file, and cried in the shower twice. And it wasn't even noon. At some point, I looked in the mirror, hair doing things no physics textbook could explain, mascara smeared like a raccoon in a horror film, and thought, yeah, I'm done. Tap out. Earth, please spin me off. I started spiraling, like full Olympic-level overthinking. What am I doing with my life? Should I move to a cabin in the woods and become a mysterious bread-baking hermit? Should I just become a cat? Do cats pay taxes? But then, and I don't know what triggered it. Maybe it was the sad little bag of motivational tea that said, "You got this." Or maybe my inner child kicked me in the shins and yelled, "Keep going, loser!" I stood up, took a deep breath, and I brushed my teeth. That's it. Nothing heroic. No rocky music. I just started small. And you know what? The world didn't explode. The sky didn't fall. I didn't magically become Beyoncé, but I didn't give up. I kept going. Bad hair, chaotic brain, coffee-stained shirt and all. So if you're ever this close to quitting, pause, breathe, drink some water, cry if you need to, then keep going. Because even when it feels like a hot mess express, you're still on track. And you've got this. Probably. Hopefully. I mean, you haven't exploded yet, and that's a good start.